Now running program 2, processing 0.35 square millimeters cable. The cutting length is 100 millimeters, stripping 5 millimeters from both ends. Remember to set smaller blade values for fine wires. Demonstrating in single-step mode. Finished. Let's check. Perfect result. Now switching to program 3. The same 0.35 square millimeters cable. Cutting length is 200 millimeters, stripping 10 millimeters both ends. Continue with single-step demonstration. Here is a note. The first wire is for system reset. The second wire will show the actual program output. The process is complete. Checking the final cable. Excellent quality. Test 2 is concluded.